Hi, this is our GD300 gummy candy production line. This line is mainly divided into cooking system and depositing system. Here is the CIP cleaning system, which mainly includes 3 tanks of acid, alkaline, and water. Each tank is 500 liters, which is connected to each system through pipes. And this plate heat exchanger can heat up liquids faster. After daily production is completed, this system can be used to clean the whole production line. This is the first cooking system. It's a weighing melting system for pectin or gelatin. This system equipped with 2 lifters. One lifter is for pectin or gelatin and the other for granulated sugar. After weighing, they will be preliminarily mixed in the upper tank and then transferred to the cooking tank below through a pneumatic butterfly valve. This is the first jacket cooker, and the motors use ABB, and this cooker is equipped with high-speed shearing to make the pectin or gelatin melt evenly. After that, the syrup will be conveyed to the storage tank, and the pump will use Durex, and the motor will use SEW. And here is the second cooking system. This cooking system is mainly used to cooking sugar syrup, and this cooking system equipped with only one elevator to lift the sugar into this mixing tank. After that, the syrup will be mixed with the pectin syrup in this tank, and here the big storage tank is used to storage glucose. Before cooking, the glucose will be stored in this tank and warm up. After that, the syrup will be conveyed to the vacuum tank. This is the third cooking system. If you are using gelatin, then the syrup will be conveyed to the first cooking system to this vacuum tank. After that, the syrup will be mixed with the active ingredients or powder in this weighing mixer. This is a powder mixer and with servo control. The brand is Yaskawa. And this tank is used to add active ingredients. Each tank is 16 liters. And the weighing tank also equipped with 3 weighing sensors. After that, the syrup will storage in this tank to keep the production continuously. Each system is controlled by PLC system, and also for mixing the syrup, here is still a inline static mixer and a dynamic mixer to mix the CFA more evenly. After that, the syrup will be conveyed to the depositor. This is a depositing system, includes depositor and cooling tunnel. The depositor is controlled by this PLC, and this is 12-inch, which can record temperature, workers, and working speed. The mold is double length with all Teflon coated, and this mold, the pins, the springs, all made of stainless steel. And here is the cooling system. Here is 2 cooling systems in this cooling channel. Here is the demolding device. Here are 2 brushes to make the demolding completely. After demolding, the gummy will drop on the peel belt. The peel belt is diamond pattern to avoid stick. Because here are two chilling fan in this cooling channel, so here are two systems. Here is the first defrost and dehumidity control, and this is the second defrost and dehumidity control. After that, the gummy will drop on the trays. You can choose to use a sugar coater or a oil coater to make the gummy you want to make.